In this video you will see how to remove Volkswagen Polo 6 and 2 front cup holder and coin tray in 4 simple steps. So this is the cup holder. If you can see, there is a missing part over there at the coin tray. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So we were gonna remove it. You can replace it with the new one. Open the glove compartment and remove the T20 Torx screw from the right side. So you can find 12-piece Magnetic Torx Screwdriver Set in the video description below. Then we will pry that plastic part just enough to have access at those two screws from the back of the cup holder. So there's two screws in the back, so we'll start with removing the first screw. There's 4 screws, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. The second one from the right. Then we'll remove the third one. And then the last one. And then take the cup holder out. So this is the cup holder. So if you can see, there are 4 holes, which are the screws. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.